Today I want to share this really neat feature of Google Slides, and it's not just available in Google Slides, it's actually available in Google Docs and Google Sheets as well. And it's called the Explore feature. And this is a really nice feature, especially for Google Slides when you're trying to make your slides look a lot more presentable, but you're not necessarily very good with colors like me. So what I have is this fairly boring slideshow about all about monarchs, and I want to pretty it up a little bit. So when I click on this link right here and click Explore, what happens is it brings up some options to make my slides better and what it'll look like. So let's say I like this one, I can click on it, and it gives me some suggestions for how this would look better, much better than the way I had it previously. So I can, if I go onto this one and I click explore again, let's see what it does here. It's not recognizing this one. Let's see what happens here. Here we go. Here's some options. So I can just play with different fonts and things, and it will automatically do things that are pleasing for colors and things like that. Let's check out this one. Here's more options. Um, So all kinds of different options here when we click on Explore. A really neat feature of um, of Google Slides with the Explore feature. Not only can you use it for Google Slides, though, you can also try it out with Word, and it's really nice to be able to use for Google Docs as well.